Hey everybody, it's Chris Palmer from Handcrafted by Chris Palmer, and now I want to introduce you to my new series. This is the Cottage Reno series. Check out these places that me and my team have crushed over the past few years. Come on in. So here we are on our latest project on Balsam Lake. And this used to be the actual covered porch, the deck entryway. And we ripped this off and we built a whole new addition. Heated tile floor, beautiful ceiling, clean and in line with the existing ceiling. Not to mention, we put in a laundry room. If you remember this space before, there was a big ugly wall here that blocked your view from seeing the lake from the kitchen. We've come up with this amazing picket wall using Douglas fir timber pieces, finished, stained to match all of the existing wood. And we've also replaced the old partial beams. There was old beams that made doorways here, and now we have a full 24-foot, 4x12 Douglas fir beam that goes from fireplace to exterior wall, taking the load all the way across, and all managed by this beautiful picket wall to tie it in to allow your view to transcend from the kitchen out to the lake. Now we come into the kitchen. It used to be dark, dingy, very gloomy in here. And we've brightened it up in wide open spaces here. We've cleaned up the column that has all the main amenities coming through it, water lines, drain from the toilet upstairs. And now it's all clean, no more bulkhead with ugly pot lights, and these nice big beautiful pendant lights over the island. Everything just flows and is nice and open. If you remember this space, it was pretty dreary. Old brick fireplace. Well, we've cladded it in a beautiful natural stone. We put in a massive timber beam mantle, and we ran up Shusugiban all the way up to the ceiling, that beautiful textured looking wood. Now, to top it all off, a nice beautiful fireplace at the touch of a remote control. We're upstairs, and now we get to show you off these bedrooms. They used to be, let's just say, not up to par. Check this out. One of the most beautiful additions to this place was these frameless glass railings. They are stunning and they make this place look sweet. This is my favorite room in the whole cottage. This is the bunk room with the loft. Now we've got these sweet bunk beds and we can sleep 3-4 people, but let me show you a secret hatch. Now, if you don't think this is the coolest hideout for a kid in a cottage, I don't know what is. This is the loft. This place was just a dingy old space above the ceiling, and we finished it. Tongue and groove everywhere, clean hardwood on the floors. This is the ultimate place for a kid to hide and play. And of course, what else would you want in a secret hiding space other than a secret door? No one will ever know you're up here. Sometimes it's hard when you get into spaces and things start hitting each other. That's why you always gotta be thinking. Rubber bumper here that you wouldn't even notice acts as our doorstop so that this nice painted door won't mark our beam. Outside, we gave this deck a facelift. We added in beautiful new regal railings all the way around, glass on the side that faces the lake, and a beautiful gray titanium picket to match the cottage over here with the black rails. And we outfitted it with this amazing exterior furniture. We also had to remove this rotted stair that goes up to the bunkie, and we gave them a brand new aluminum railing there too. Why don't we go up there and check it out? Welcome to the loft. This space is going to be the ultimate hangout. Looking over the lake, sitting above the garage, and it has a bathroom, a bedroom, a great living area, and this cool little balcony. This balcony is amazing. It gives this loft a whole added level for more surface area to play on. Now, my clients love yoga, and this is what they wanted to do up here. So we took out the 2 old windows and made it one big panoramic window. Gives the space that much more light, and it makes the view that much better. The other upgrade to this whole entire bunkie space was this servery. We have a nice bar fridge, drawers for hiding away the treats when you're hanging out, microwave to heat up your food when you're having popcorn and movie night, and these awesome shelves for anything you want to store. Well, that concludes our latest project up here at Balsam Lake. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Be sure to check out, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel as this series continues to grow.